Today, in this video, I have got something special to share with all you IT professionals out there. If you are working in the world of information technology domain, then this video is a must watch for you. I am Sachin Rasal and I warmly welcome you to your very own YouTube channel, IT Professionals Network, or ITPN for short. Back in 2016, this remarkable WhatsApp group was created by 25 IT professionals with a common goal to exchange knowledge and stay updated on the latest technology trends. Starting from the modest origins, our community has thrived, expanding to encompass more than 3,000 exclusive members hailing from India and abroad. We are so proud of our journey. Today, we have in total 3 WhatsApp groups. First 2 WhatsApp groups are already full with 1,025 members in each. Third one is also filling fast. If you want to be a part of this extraordinary forum, simply pause this video, scan the QR code on your screen, and we will add you to our network. Once done, please resume the video to learn more about this WhatsApp group offerings. Guys, if you are an IT professional looking to expand your network, find job opportunities, learn new technologies, and want to engage in the discussions on latest technology trends, then believe me, this is the perfect platform for you. We also organize quarterly meetups in various cities across India. These gatherings are fantastic opportunities for IT professionals to come together, share knowledge, make friends, enjoy delicious breakfast, and have ton of fun. We have recently started in Pune with a great success and now planning to expand to cities like Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Delhi, Gurgaon, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, and many more. Once you join our group, you will need to register yourself through a link provided in a WhatsApp group description. Rest assured, your information will remain safe and confidential. Your privacy is on our top priority. We do have some group policies to maintain a positive and focused environment. No good morning, no good night messages, no social media forwards. Advertisements are strictly not allowed in our professional group. You will say, 3,000 members, what a big deal. Let me tell you. Till date, we have received applications from more than 12,000 people, but we have carefully selected only 3,000 IT professionals to be part of our group. So, if you are not a part of this group yet, scan the QR code now. If you don't want to miss this opportunity, this is a golden chance for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to your channel. This is a chance to become a part of incredible IT community. Bye for now.